Hello children, we come across many patterns that characterize relation such as brother and sister, father and son, teacher and student in our daily life. In mathematics also we come across many relations such as one line is parallel to another line, m is less than n, set A is a subset of set B. In all these we notice that a relation involves pair of objects in certain order. In this chapter, we are going to see about relation and functions. We will learn how to link pair of objects from two sets and then introduce relation between the two objects in the pair. Cartesian product of sets. Suppose A is a set of two colors and B is a set of three objects, where B, C and S represent a particular bag, coat and shirt respectively. How many pairs of colored objects can be made from these two sets? That is, if we choose red, so B, C, S. And if we choose blue color, we get so 3 red color and 3 blue color colored objects. Proceeding in a very orderly manner, we can see that there will be 6 distinct pairs like red B, red C, red S. Similarly, blue comma B, blue comma C and blue comma S. Thus we get 6 distinct objects. Let us recall from our earlier classes that an ordered pair of elements, so x comma y, ordered pair of elements taken from any two sets P and Q is a pair of elements which is written in brackets grouped together in a particular order. Suppose P and Q are the pair of elements, so it's written in ordered pair P comma Q in small letters, in which element P belongs to capital P and Q belongs to capital P, Q, where P and Q are the two sets. Now let's see definition of Cartesian product of sets. Given two non-empty sets P and Q, the Cartesian product P cross Q is a set of all ordered pairs of elements from P and Q. That is, P cross Q equal to, which is written in ordered pair P comma Q. P belongs to capital P and Q belongs to capital Q. Either P or Q is a null set, then P cross Q equal to empty set, that is 5. Important note: two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding first elements are equal and the second elements are also equal. If there are P elements in A and Q elements in B, then there will be PQ elements in A cross B. That is, n of A equal to P, the number of elements in the set A, which is P, the number of elements in the set B, that is n of B equal to Q, and n of A cross B equal to PQ. Third one, if A and B are non-empty sets and either A or B is an infinite set, then A cross B is also infinite. Fourth one, A cross A cross A, the Cartesian product of three sets A cross A cross A, which is equal to ABC, such that A belongs to A, B belongs to A and C belongs to A, which is called an ABC is called an ordered triplet. Exercise 2.1, if x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3, an ordered pair, it is equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. So these two are equal. We have to find the values of x and y. So x by 3 plus 1, which is equal to 5 by 3, x by 3 equal to 5 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled, so x is equal to 2. And again y minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. So y equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Second one, if the set A has 3 elements and the set B equal to 3, 4, 5, then find the number of elements in A cross B. Just now we have seen the note. If there are P elements in A and Q elements in B, then there will be PQ elements in A cross B. That is n of A cross B equal to P into Q. So set A has 3 elements, that is A equal to n of A equal to 3, and the set B has 1, 2, 3 elements, so n of B equal to 3. So we have to find, we say that this is P and this is Q. We have to find the number of elements in A cross B. So n of A cross B is P into Q. So 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So the number of elements in A cross B is 9. Third one, if G equal to 7, 8 and H equal to 5, 4, 2, find G cross H and H cross G. First, we will find G cross H, the ordered pair of G and H. So 7, 5, 7, 4 and 7, 2. Then the first element will be 8 and the second elements will be 5, 4, 2. So 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. Now we will find H cross G. The first element will be 5 and the second elements will be 7 and 8. So 5, 7, 5, 8. Again 4, 7, 4, 8. And 2, 7, 2, 8. Fourth one, state whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. First one, P equal to Mn and Q equal to Nm. Then P cross Q, it's given as M, N and N, N. Is it true or false? So it's false, because P cross Q is the first element with the 2 elements of Q and the second element with the 2 elements of Q have to write in ordered pair. That is M, N, M, M, N, 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 M. So these are the ordered pairs of P cross Q, but it's given as M, N and N, N. So this statement is false. Second one, if A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pair x, y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. We have to check whether it is true or false. So xy is an ordered pair such that x is an element of A, that is A equal to x, and y is an element of B, that is B equal to y. Then A cross B is an ordered pair of x and y. So A cross B equal to x, y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So this is true. Third one, if A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 3, 4, then A cross B intersection 5, which is equal to 5. So first let's see what is B intersection 5. So B is a set with elements 3 and 4 and 5 is an empty set. 5 is an empty set, that is without any elements. So B intersection 5, the common element between B and empty set, so which is 5. So B intersection phi is 5. Then A cross B intersection phi. So the Cartesian product of A cross B intersection phi. So A cross B intersection phi. So A is 1, 2 and B intersection phi is 5, which is equal to 5, which is true. Fifth one, if A equal to minus 1 comma 1, we have to find A cross A, that is ordered triplet. So A equal to minus 1 comma 1. Again I am writing A. Let's find A cross A first, which is written in an ordered pair. So minus 1 comma minus 1, and again minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1. Now we find ordered triplet. So minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Again minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Then minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. Then these two elements with this one. So 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Again 1 comma 1 with these two elements. So 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 1 comma 1. So we get 8 ordered pairs in ordered triplet A cross A cross A. Sixth one, if A cross B equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y, find the elements of A and B. The first element in an ordered pair is in the set A. So A equal to A comma B. Have to write only once. And again the second element of the ordered pair is B, are the elements of B, that is X comma Y. So A equal to A comma B and B equal to X comma Y.